Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of the continuous annoying ad from Google Chrome? Do you want to stop it permanently? For that you have to watch this full video. First of all, you need to go to your Google Chrome browser. Now at the top right corner you can see a three-dot button. Tap on it. Now you scroll down until you find the option Settings. Here it is. Tap on it. Now you scroll down again until you find the option Notification. Just tap on it. Now you can see there is a button Allow Notifications which is turned on. You can easily turn this off. That's all, your notification is turned off. Again, if you want to remove notification from any specific things, then you can turn that particular specific things. Now again, if you visit any site, always there is a question for allowing notification. So if you want to turn that off, there is another way. You have to go to the three-dot button again. You have to scroll down, go to the settings option, then scroll down again until you find the option Site Settings. Here it is. Tap on it and you can see a notifications option again. Just tap on it and you have to just turn that off. Again, if you want to have the quieter message, you can just check this on. That's all. That's how easily you can get rid of the annoying ads or messages from Google Chrome browser. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.